What a glorious morning. It is, I don't know, November, I want to say 24th. No, 25th, 26th, November 26th. Just put my glove on. And it is supposed to be 8 degrees today. Most of the snow has melted. But this morning, really all day today, our plan is to get some work done on the sugar shack. I don't really know what that entails. Brian's already started a fire this morning. He's, I don't know, driving around with the tractor, the trailer. I don't know what he's doing. But yeah, so our hope is to get going on this project. We were hoping to be able to get the roof on before the winter time, and then we could just plug away at the board and batten, which is fairly straightforward. Got a bit of a plan for that project that's really exciting. But anyways, he's gonna be loud here for a minute, so I'm just gonna be quiet. Okay, we've been working for many hours. It is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I think we started around 8 this morning. And we're not even on the metal yet. We're still putting the trim on all of the outside. So all of the edging or trim on the front side. And now what we're doing is putting in little blocks between the trusses so that it's basically closed off from the outside. So let me show you. We've already done this side. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see those little blocks, and then there's a board on the outside so that once we get the steel on, there's no kind of air gaps in here. So yeah, I'm gonna go up there and get this side done, and then once we're done this, I think we're ready. We are ready for steel, but who even knows anymore? I just cleaned out the chicken coop. I wore a mask, but it's a dusty job. We have lots more sheets to go up on the sugar shed. We got 3 on yesterday, which is good, but it took us a long time to get the other little wood bits kind of sorted. So we are going to continue on this morning, just trucking away on at least getting this side covered and maybe start on the next side. The next side is going to be trickier because that's where the pipe for the evaporator is going to go through. So that's going to take us some time, but it's supposed to rain this afternoon and I have some marking to do. So I'm going to get as much done here as we can this morning and hope for the best. Okay. Which way does it go? So just quickly to explain a little bit what's shaking here, we have these kind of 2x4s sticking out because Brian is going to build a little timber frame entry. Not sure whether that's going to happen this year, but we've got the posts sunk. Well, he's got the posts sunk. So we're just putting on steel up to the roof that we have done and then screwing the edge down. And then when this gets built, we'll put the rest of the steel on to bring it out to cover the entrance of the sugar shed. Yeah, so on to the next side. Desperate times call for desperate measures. So I've got you under the little lean-to and I'm going to shoot into the sugar shack and out for the roof. Brian put up the chimney, or framed in the chimney, and now we are just going to try and put on some metal. It's kind of nuts, but we'll see how far we get. I'm tired. It's super rainy and yucky, and Brian's hands are very freezing, but we have this sheet and then one more to put on and then we're done. We just put the steel cover that comes with the steel over the cupola hole for right now, but the chimney is kind of in place. It's braced in there. Hey guys, yesterday it got so cold and rainy. I did not finish the video, but I just wanted to show you now that it's not as rainy. It's still pretty chilly, what the roof looks like. So it's pretty cool. We did a really good job given that we finished it in 2 days and one of the days it was gross and rainy. So The only thing we have left to do is to build the timber frame, attach that, like tie it in, and then get 2 more pieces of steel for each side and complete that. But otherwise, we're pretty much done. Also, we have to build the cupola, so where the steam will vent. And then, yeah, so do that. But really, like if we had to, we could boil. So we always say we have till March, but really that's not the case. So let me bring you inside just to kind of show you some of the features, which is really cool. And we got this idea from friends of ours. So we put steel on, but we also put some plastic, I don't know what that's called, poly or whatever, see-through panels, so that we do get some natural light in here. The other thing that we have to think about, because it's still going to get wet in here because the walls are so high, we might actually consider trying to get board and batten on during the winter, like in these next couple of months. That's not too bad, but Brian does want to cut. We have a few trees in the bush that we are going to cut and mill for that project, because this is still going to get full of snow. But anyways, we're coming along. We appreciate you watching and come along with us. It's been an exciting project. Definitely gone slower than we had hoped, but that's just the nature of the beast when you're trying to do things like this. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.